Hey everyone, Amazon Gadget Alert. If you're looking to save time and make life way more convenient, this gadget is a total game changer. Forget the hassle and let me show you how this simple tool makes everything easier. Trust me, you'll be amazed at how much time you'll save. Let's check it out. Elevate your dining game with the Malacasa 30-piece marble dinnerware set. Perfect for six, this chic set includes dinner plates, dessert plates, soup bowls, mugs, and saucers, all designed with sleek marble gray patterns that bring modern elegance to any table. Whether it's a family dinner or a fancy soiree, impress your guests with this stylish, stackable, and durable set. Plus, it's microwave, oven, and dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Space saving and a perfect gift for housewarmings, weddings, or any celebration. Your kitchen deserves this. Upgrade today. Craving perfectly cooked eggs every time? The Minanov electric egg cooker makes it easy. Whether you want hard-boiled, soft-boiled, or steamed eggs, this compact, energy-efficient cooker has you covered. With its auto shut-off alarm and transparent lid, you'll always get flawless results. Ideal for home, RV trips, or camping, and made from BPA-free materials for your safety. Get yours and cook with ease. Craving donuts in a flash? The Dash Mini Donut Maker lets you create delicious mini donuts in just minutes. Whether you're making classic glazed, frosted, or sprinkled treats, this compact appliance is perfect for busy mornings, picky eaters, or entertaining kids. With its non-stick surface, cleanup is a breeze. Just plug it in, pour your batter, and you're good to go. Plus, it makes 7 mini donuts at once, saving time and space in your kitchen. Ideal as a gift for any occasion, it's fun, easy, and a treat for the whole family. Squeeze the freshest juice with the HomeLeader upgraded orange juicer. Extract 30% more juice with ease from oranges, lemons, and grapefruits. Made with rust-resistant stainless steel, it's durable, easy to clean, and portable. Perfect for home or on the go. Start your day with fresh, healthy juice in seconds. Struggling with tough stains? Meet the Chimato Electric Spin Scrubber, your cleaning powerhouse. With 1200 RPM power, 3 speed modes, and a 6000 milliamp hour battery for up to 360 minutes of cleaning, dirt doesn't stand a chance. Its extra-large brush head and 8 interchangeable attachments tackle tubs, tiles, floors, and more effortlessly. Plus, the smart display and adjustable 50-inch handle make cleaning easier than ever. No more back-breaking scrubbing, just power, precision, and a sparkling clean home. Get yours today. Tackle tough stains with the AIRU Plus Floor Scrub Brush. This 3-in-1 tool features durable bristles, a scraper, and a rubber squeegee for effortless cleaning. With its 360-degree rotating head and adjustable handle, you can reach every corner without bending. Perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, patios, and more. Get the ultimate clean, easily and efficiently. Relax in style with the manual small recliner chair. Perfect for small spaces, this comfy recliner features a 90 to 150-degree adjustable backrest and footrest for the ultimate relaxation. Made with anti-scratch faux leather and a sturdy frame, it's durable, easy to clean, and fits in any room. Whether it's for your living room, RV, or bedroom, this recliner offers both comfort and convenience. Simple to assemble, with a max weight capacity of 380 pounds, it's the perfect addition to your home. Seals and cuts. One side reseals snack bags, the other cuts them open. Keeps food fresh, locks in freshness, prevents spills, and reduces waste. No preheating needed, just press and seal in seconds. Compact and portable. Magnetic back plus lanyard for easy storage and travel. Batteries included. Ready to use right out of the box. Perfect for your kitchen, camping, or on-the-go snacks. This 10-piece silicone utensil set is a kitchen must-have. With 600 degrees Fahrenheit heat resistance, a stainless steel core, and a non-stick, scratch-free design, it's perfect for all your cooking needs. The seamless dishwasher-safe build makes cleaning effortless. Whether you're flipping, stirring, or whisking, these durable tools have you covered. Upgrade your kitchen or gift it to a loved one today. Effortless juicing, maximum flavor. Extract every drop with the Zule stainless steel lemon squeezer, designed for easy squeezing and maximum juice. Its heavy-duty, rust-resistant build ensures durability, while the built-in strainer keeps seeds out. Compact, easy to clean, and dishwasher safe, this is the perfect tool for fresh lemonade cocktails. Upgrade your kitchen today.